There's a reason the phrase well-oiled machine is synonymous with efficiency. Efficiency and safety require proper maintenance. In order to maximize productivity, you need reliable machinery, and reliability means taking proper care of your equipment. Because when the line stops, production stops, yet the clock keeps ticking. That's why we offer a TrueBlue Preventative Maintenance Service Plan for your Nordson equipment. Our experts perform scheduled health assessments, a multi-point performance audit, and safety check. To help you protect your investment, you'll receive a comprehensive audit report with recommendations for corrective actions, repairs, and replacement parts. Your TrueBlue plan can be customized to include maintenance or training for your employees, because well-maintained equipment works like a well-oiled machine. Contact your representative to discuss pricing and to learn more about your TrueBlue Preventative Maintenance Service Plan before it's too late.